Okay, here's the part that I ordered from Shop Jimmy online, and if I've done my homework right, this will work. This is such a tiny piece, and these are two holes, 3 LED lights, and they pop into little plastic tips, is all I can call them, on this plastic bar that's immovable, and it's connected to a red wire, and it plugs in. You pinch it out and it plugs into the back, and it's really little. It's like 1/2 inch wide, about 4 inches long, if that. You'll need to go Google your this is a GE, like I said, I think I said GE, and this is my model number. And to remove the plastic, remove the screw with the Phillips head screwdriver. Let's see if this will work laying this right here. Okay. Oh, I don't know if you can see that or not, but here's the old one. Let's see if they look the same. They do. What I had to do was, you don't really have to pinch it. You just pull the white. This white thing is bigger than I thought at the end. So you just sort of pull it off. It's easy. And then you pull the bar. There's a little leg right here, and you have to kind of lift up the bar from the leg as you got leeway now. So you just lift the bar up off the leg that's holding it, but before you do that, these two little tits here are holding it. So you have to sort of work it out. And there's a leg right here that's holding it in. There's a little leg, you can't really see it, but you can see my finger, there's resistance there. And you have to pull this out a little bit as you go. It's not, it goes that far is all. There's a stopper there. There's stoppers. It's fatter here than it is here. Okay, so I used the wrong one at first, y'all. Well, what can a girl do? We had success. We just saved $50 at least, plus somebody coming in and doing this. That was an easy fix. It really was. See, all you do is there's a little pop out, a little leg here, 2 tits, a leg at the bottom here, and you plug it in. That's all you do. And you have to make sure you kind of slide it as you get it in place. Be careful, and then you just got to be careful with it because it's so little, and it's, use gentle hands, and it's done. So I'm gonna put the plastic cover on it, and it'll be done. That makes me real happy, as it will any moment. Okay, I'm gonna go get the cover. Sounds like I'm killing my refrigerator. Look at that. That is amazing. GE LED light freezer. It's a 2019 model. And we're going to put the top shelf back on. Is doing it herself to save money. So for you ladies out there, hope you enjoyed this video. It's my first one, or my second one actually, on YouTube. And got a light. Yeah, and there was light. Okay, bye. If you have any questions, just post them at the bottom.